Okay, we're at the St. Regis in Houston, Texas. This is the Astor Suite. It is a 1-bedroom suite. The king bed and a living room. This here, when you walk in, is the living room. Over here, you have a pretty nice sized TV. You have your desk area where you can set up your laptop and do your office work. You have a view over here. Over there you can see downtown. Over here you have your living room area. You have your couch. A smaller couch over here. They have fruit set up for us over here. It's actually a very big room, guys. Over here you have a mini bar area with your coffee. You have your ice buckets, cups. Down here you have your safe, all your snacks, your alcohol down there. Over here, that looks like a refrigerator. Pretty big refrigerator too. You could probably buy stuff and store stuff in there if you needed to. Let me go back this way because we passed the guest bathroom. So you have a guest bathroom in here. Nice sized bathroom for a guest bathroom. You have a hallway closet right here. One of the closets. And as you walk through the living room again, and you walk straight through, you get to the bedroom. And the bedroom, it's a nice sized bedroom. You have a king size bed right here. It's actually a very comfortable bed. Right here, you have a small lounge chair. You have another view of Houston over here. This is the post oak area over here that you can see. You have a nice sized TV over here. Somewhere to steam your shirts right there. And as you walk over here, you go down this hallway. You have the master bathroom, his and her sinks over there. You have a bathtub right here. Over here you have a nice sized walk-in shower. Over here you have your toilet room. And again, it's a very nice room. It's a big room at that. A lot of space to do what you want. The room also comes with a butler. You get unlimited coffee and tea service. You get shoe signing services. You get your clothes pressed every day, and it all comes included with the room. So again, this is the Astor Suite, Houston, Texas at the St. Regis Hotel. Hope you guys enjoyed it.